Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, new video. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what it takes to make these videos that I make for you guys. So on my back, I have like 50 pounds of backpack on my back. I got my Canon 6D with my 70 by 200 millimeter lens for spotting, and I got my GoPro, 2 jackets, some snacks. Trust me, it's heavy. So I just got to the station. I got to get up 2 stairs to get to spot number 1. And for all my new followers, yes, I am disabled. I fell 4 stories, shattered both my feet to the point where they almost amputated. Doctors were able to save them by taking out big, gigantic chunks of my feet. I was supposed to spend the rest of my life in a wheelchair. I got to crutches. After watching hours and hours of automotive content, especially Daily Driven Exotics and F-Spot, I decided to start my own channel to give my life purpose again. But it's a lot of work. So at my subway station where I get off, there's no elevator. You have to go down 2 flights of stairs. Going down's a little easier, but going up is not. So I'm gonna show you guys what it takes to go upstairs on crutches. And also, the moment I wake up and my feet touch the floor, I'm in excruciating pain till I go to bed. So trying to make my feet touch the ground as less as possible is the key here. So I'm gonna go up these stairs and show you guys what it takes. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, just come to the top of the stairs. So out of breath. Spot number 1 is that way. So let's see what we get at spot number 1. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the hard work that goes into making these videos, especially when you're disabled. Not asking for sympathy, I'm just asking for your guys' understanding. And so that you know that all this hard work I do is for you guys. This channel's not for me, it's for you guys. So let's head to spot number 1, see what we can get. It's a beautiful day, let's do this. Wow, Speedster. Nice. No way! A Fiero GT with a roof scoop! Nice. Oh, we've seen him for the last couple weeks. Sounds beautiful, man. Wow. Listen. Oh my God! Nice. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, Thunderbird. Wow. Oh, a turbo. That's a nice spec. Nice. Huracan parking up. Huracan number 2. 355. Nice. Or is it a 3? my, it's a Specialli. Oh my God. Alpina, look at that. Holy. Nice.
Yeah, that's for
sure. Two GT350s. Oh, little puppies. Little puppies. Oh. Nice. Okay guys, spot number 2. It's a little chilly in the shade, so I'm gonna put on a sweat top. But a few people have asked what gear I use. So I use the GoPro Hero 7 that I'm on to vlog. And then for car spotting, I use a Canon 6D with a 70 by 200 millimeter lens, which I'll show you right now. So you guys, this is my camera. This is what I use for spotting. So, the Canon 6D with a 70 by 200 millimeter lens. So it's an absolutely gorgeous day. My feet are killing me, but I don't care. Spot number 2. GT3 RS. Signal green. Nice. Nice. Check it out, you guys. This is my buddy John. Yeah. TVR, you guys. Look at that. Nice. Second round. Oh no, it's a G-Wagon 4x4 squared. Coming back around. Sick. Okay guys, spot number 3. It's not as warm as I thought, and sorry about the wind, but yeah, spot number 3, you guys. Let's get to it. Oh. Oh, this is my buddy from the Porsche meet. Oh, it's my buddy again because we got blocked by that stupid SUV. Nice. Have a good night, man. Concept 7. Oh my God. know this is a car vlog, but check out these bikes. Oh my god. Nice. How you doing?
Behind me, yeah. The GPR.
Okay, nice. And that's his son. That's F1 Nine. As you guys know, I started and revved that blue 720. Whoa, what's with these Porsches? Yes! my house. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, it's over my house. Oh my God. I've never seen anything like this. I grew up in Vancouver and you definitely don't get... Oh my God. It's over my house. Oh. Whoa. Holy. Oh my God. The thunder is non-stop. Oh. Holy. I don't know when to stop because it's so much. Oh, it's good. Oh my God.